WallyRooTV. Alright, WallyRoo, we're here at the zoo. Yay! I love the zoo! Animals, yay! Which animal do you want to see first, WallyRoo? The monkeys, yay! And then what do you want to see next, WallyRoo? I want to see the elephants and the gorillas. Alright, WallyRoo, well, let's go inside so you can see the monkeys and the elephants and all the rest of the animals inside. Yay! What kind of animal is that, WallyRoo? Oh no, they're big and tall and they're big birds. Can you take a guess, WallyRoo? I don't know. Look, they have really, really long legs. Those are called flamingos, WallyRoo. Wow, flamingos! Look, WallyRoo, what kind of bird is that over there? I don't know, but look at his nose, it looks funny. Yes, WallyRoo, but that's not his nose. That is his bill. See how it's long and flat like a spoon? Why do you think it looks like that, WallyRoo? So he can scoop and pull things out of the water. Maybe so, WallyRoo. The monkeys, yay! Almost, WallyRoo. It's actually called a hippopotamus. You can just call it a hippo. Yay, it's a hippo! Wow, I can see him right into his eyes. He's looking at me. If he can see you, WallyRoo, then he can see that you spilled snow cone all over your shirt. Was it on purpose? I know, WallyRoo. Just try to be a little bit more careful in the future. Get that, WallyRoo. Oh, look at the giant bird. Do you know what kind of bird that is, WallyRoo? Is it a turkey? No, turkey. I'm not a turkey. You're a turkey. Right, WallyRoo. Enough of that. Get this, WallyRoo. What kind of animal is this? It looks like a giant kitty cat. It's not a kitty cat, WallyRoo. It's a tiger. What sounds do tigers make, WallyRoo? Meow, meow. Oh, WallyRoo, that's a kitty cat. What sound do tigers make? They're great. No, WallyRoo, that's the tiger on the TV commercial. Oh yeah, tigers go grrr. Animals, yay! WallyRooTV.